What you are looking at right now is not an act of war. It is a terrifying disaster created in modern times by a single rogue meteoroid that blindsided one of our busiest, most heavily populated cities. In a fraction of a second, an entire metropolis caught fire. Roofs collapsed, factories crumbled, and over 1,500 people were left bleeding and injured. But here is the part that will keep you awake tonight. Not a single military radar on Earth saw it coming. NASA's multi-billion-dollar planetary defense systems were completely blind. Before we uncover how this nightmare bypassed our advanced technology, you need to understand something critical about the cosmic trap we are currently walking into. Because right now, as you watch this screen, the universe is using a terrifying loophole to hide the next planet-killer asteroid right in front of our eyes. Satellites and deep space telescopes are excellent at scanning the freezing pitch-black void of space. If a giant rock approaches Earth from the dark side, we can track it years in advance. But astronomers are hiding a fatal, unfixable flaw in our defense system, an invisible cosmic dead zone known as the solar blind spot. If an asteroid approaches us directly from behind the blinding, violent glare of the sun, our technology is rendered 100% useless. The massive solar radiation and light drawn on the rock's silhouette, we are essentially standing in a dark room, staring into a blinding spotlight, completely oblivious to the monster sprinting towards us out of the light. The meteor that blindsided the city of Chelyabinsk, Russia, was only 60 feet wide, the size of a small building. It was merely a cosmic warning shot. Imagine waking up to a normal morning, the clock ticking at exactly 9:20 a.m. No sirens, no alarms. Suddenly, a multi-ton rock streams into the atmosphere at 60,000 kilometers per hour, exploding with the force of 30 atomic bombs. The shockwave shatters glass across 6 cities instantly. But when experts analyzed the footage frame by frame, a chilling mystery emerged. A tiny, high-speed object seemed to intercept the meteor, punching right through it just seconds before it detonated. Conspiracy theorists claim an unknown extraterrestrial force destroyed it to save humanity from total extinction. Scientists argue it was just intense atmospheric pressure crushing the rock from within. But whatever the truth is, it was a terrifying reality check. What happens when a monster the size of Apophis or Bennu decides to hide in that exact same solar blind spot? Thousands of these phantom objects orbit permanently inside this inner solar circle, completely untrackable. Every single month, rogue asteroids pass closer to Earth than the Moon, and we only detect them after they have bypassed us. We are not hunting them, we are just surviving on pure luck. We have mapped distant galaxies billions of light years away, yet we remain utterly blind to the threats hiding in our own backyard. If you were given a final 60-second warning as you watched this giant meteoroid roaring down towards us, what is the very last thought that would flash across your mind? Drop your coldest thoughts in the comments below. This was part 2. If you want to see the terrifying gravity traps we exposed in part 1 regarding Apophis and Bennu, click on the video on your screen right now. Hit subscribe, keep your eyes locked on the skies, and until the archive opens again. Goodbye.